Hello, Batswana out there. My name is Gorata Bakgoeng. Basically, I came here to explore my God-given talent, and hopefully you'll vote for me and support me in living my dream. Hello, Batswana at home. It's Saturday, 6:30 on the DOT, and you know what time it is. It's Gemstones time. And I'm your host, Gorata Bakgoeng, and I warmly welcome you to the show. Right next to me is a beautiful, beautiful young lady who's here to try her luck as well. But now, I'm gonna give her this time to tell her why you guys should vote for her and why she deserves to go to New York. Hello, beautiful.
Hi. Well, mainly the reason why I want to go to New York is that, it's like such a small world, and I really want to just get out there and explore my talent and show everybody that I want to also be like the celebrities like Beyonce, Whitney Houston, I want to be a legend just like them.
You've heard from the lady herself. Please make sure you make her dream come true. Just log on to jamvote.com and vote for her. Or you can view her video at YouTube. Like it, share the link. Tell your friends to tell their friends and their other friends to share, like, and view the video too. Well, I'm off to a very quick commercial break. I'll be back. Oscar Suta.